Imagine your business grinding to a halt. Systems offline, data inaccessible, chaos ensues. These aren't just nightmares, they're real threats. Are you ready to face them head-on? Cyber attacks, power outages, natural disasters, every organization is vulnerable. The question isn't if they'll happen, but when. How prepared are you to handle these disruptions? Business continuity and disaster recovery are distinct but connected strategies for keeping organizations resilient after an event. Together, they minimize downtime and disruption. Business continuity keeps the organization functioning, while disaster recovery provides the route back to normal operations. Business continuity ensures your organization keeps moving. It involves remote working solutions, backup systems, and communication plans. Think of it as your game plan during disruption. Everything must come together when needed to ensure your organization faces as little disruption as possible. Disaster recovery, in contrast, focuses on restoring IT systems and data. It includes backups, recovery processes, and cloud solutions. It's your blueprint for rebuilding systems and data after chaos, but is less focused on the human element of disruption. Without business continuity, disruption can halt operations. Without disaster recovery, restoring critical systems and data can be slow and costly. Together, they minimize downtime, protect revenue, and keep your organization operating through a disaster. Cyber attacks, outages, disasters. Are you equipped to handle them? Preparedness is key to survival and success. At Akita, we help organizations prepare for disruption and recover with confidence. Our services include business continuity planning, disaster recovery solutions, secure backup and data protection, risk assessments and testing, plus ongoing support and guidance. Together, they help minimize downtime, protect data, and keep your business running. Prepare, protect, recover. Speak to Akita's experts about continuity solutions today.